everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is another about Pixi Beauty, which is one of my all-time favourite brands. I love everything that they do. They very kindly sent me this package, which looks like this, and it says Glow in a Box. And inside are all of these, and these are just like perfect for this time of year because at the minute it's so sunny. So I have 5 of the Fairy Lights liquid eyeshadows, and these are so shimmery, they are absolutely gorgeous. And I also have 2 of the Glowy Gossamer Duo palettes. That's such a mouthful to say, which are these 2 here. And they have 2 shades in each. One is sort of more of a bronzy colour and the other more gold. So I thought I'd just do like a really easy, like simple look, showing how these look on my skin, because my skin is so pale, as I'm sure you can see. Obviously I'm not going to use all of them, I'm just going to pick one of the palettes and maybe 1 or 2 of the eyeshadow liquid things. So if you want to see how these look, then carry on watching. So I've already done my base and brows because I haven't got anything to tag with those. So I'm going to start with eyes first. And I'm actually going to use Cargo Cosmetics Around the World palette, and I'm going to take the shade London, which is this one here. I'm not really showing it. It's sort of like a very, very pale brown. You can use the Fairy Lights liquid eyeshadows on their own. I thought I might as well create like sort of a base more really into the crease. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush as well just to do this. I'm also going to take the shade Rome, which is like sort of like a whitey cream kind of colour. I'm just going to put this all over my eye just so it's got something to stick to. Now onto these Fairy Lights liquid eyeshadows. And they are all so gorgeous, I don't even know which one to use. So these are all of them. The camera's not picking, there we go. And just look how gorgeous this packaging is as well. It's sort of shimmery so it matches with them. I'm also going to insert a clip now showing you all the swatches of these on my arm so you know exactly what all of these look like. Today I'm going to go with this one, which is Passion Light, and it's sort of like a browny coppery shade, and basically it just looks so gorgeous. And I'm sorry for that noise as well. My neighbour is doing something in his garden. I've been doing this all morning and I couldn't wait any longer to film, so I'm sorry. You're just going to have to sort of put up with it and hope that you can still hear me. Just zoomed you in a little bit further so you can see what I'm doing. And these, it says you can blend them either with your finger or with a brush. I think my finger is going to work better, so we'll see how this goes. Put that on for now and blend it out. You'd lose a bit of the colour when you're blending it out, but I think you can just build it up a bit more. That is this colour on, and I think it looks so gorgeous and it's just so shimmery, and they actually blend out. They actually blend out really easily. They don't feel sticky, and so far it doesn't seem to be creasing all that much, but obviously after wear it could do. I love the applicator as well. That makes it so easy to use. I think I'm actually going to go in now with Bare Brilliance, which is more of this brownish shade. I'm just going to put this in the very centre. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to try it. And I'm not going to blend that out, I'm just going to leave it so it sort of sets itself, because I want that to be quite defined. Or at least now I know you can use two together and it's fine. These are actually so shimmery, like the camera is not picking up how shimmery these are. Now I'm just going to go with some mascara, and if you wonder, I'm just using the Clinique Chubby Lash, which is one of my favourites at the minute. And now for highlights, I've got these two palettes. This one is Delicate Dew, and I say that one is slightly more pinky and more goldy, sort of bronzy. Both are gorgeous. And then this one is Subtle Sunrise. So slightly more gold tone to both of those. That's slightly darker bronze. I think I'm going to go with the Subtle Sunrise palette, because it's sort of going to go with my eye look, I hope. I'm just going to show you a little clip now, showing you swatches of these so you know what they look like. And for the highlight, I'm going to take this side, which is a slightly more golden colour. I don't think you can really use the bronze side as contour. It's so shimmery, they are so gorgeous. I think I'm actually going to use it with my finger, see if I can get a bit more. It's gorgeous. It works so much better with your finger. The camera is really not picking it up, you can just see it there. But, like, these are so buildable as well. Like, if you use these, you would just be able to see from space. I'm not even exaggerating in any way. These are so gorgeous. And it feels sort of creamy as well. Not quite a powder, but not like a cream either, it's somewhere in between. I think I'm actually going to take the more bronzy colour and put that in the very corner of my eye. I think that'll go so well with the rest of the look. Not picking these up as well, like they look so good in person. And I'm going to take that lighter shade again and put this into my brow bone. I literally want to use this highlight everywhere. Pixie highlights though are literally amazing, they're so good. I use one all the time that I got a couple of years ago, and I just use it and use it. It's quite similar to this, but it's slightly more goldy. The camera just does not pick these up as well, but they are so gorgeous. I'm not going in with contour today because I'm just not feeling it, to be honest. And now to bring the look together, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm using a Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner, and it's in the shade Spice. I use this one so much. And for lipstick, I'm also using one from Pixie, and it's their Matte Lustre lipstick, and this is the shade Rose Natural. It's just a gorgeous nudie pinky kind of colour. I love these ones as well. They are, even though they're matte, They feel quite creamy and they're not drying at all. So this is my finished look using all these gorgeous new Pixi products. I absolutely love the Glowy Glossamer Duo palette. God, that's so hard to say and it's like so many G's. But yeah, those palettes are so gorgeous and I love that you get 2 shades in. So if you're going sort of more bronzy or if you're going more goldy or pinky tone, depends which one you use, then you've got both to choose from. The Fairy Lights liquid eyeshadows are just, oh my god, that glitter is just, I don't even know why the camera will not pick it up. It is so gorgeous and all 5 of the shades are so wearable. Even though they've got big chunks of glitter in, it doesn't seem to have transferred around my face at all yet, which I am actually quite surprised about. But there again, it's Pixi. I know their products are like amazing quality, which is why I always use them. So if you're watching my videos, you will have seen I use Pixi pretty much in every single one. But the liquid eyeshadows also blend really, really easily and you can use them together or separate. And like I said, you can also use them on their own completely. You don't need any eyeshadow underneath, or you can use it like I did with sort of just like a cut crease type of thing. Oh my god, they all look amazing for a cut crease. But yeah, anyway, got distracted there. But I just love how buildable all of these products are. You could just use them on their own or build them up until you get that ultimate shimmeriness. Is that even a word? But anyway, I hope you liked this video and you like seeing all this sort of shimmery goldness, glitter, whatever else you want to call it. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And of course, if there's anything else you'd like me to see or any products you'd like me to test out, it doesn't matter what the brand is or anything like that, then I'd love to know. So I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!